Alright, it's kind of late in the game here, but I had a washing machine who decided to stop working one day, and I looked up some YouTube videos and started working on it. I noticed it wasn't draining. My drain hose, it wasn't draining fully. So I took it apart, got to the water pump here. And that bottom hose is some debris. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to pull it out. And once I pull it out, I'm going to put it back together and see if it works a little bit better. I'll be back. Alright, this is what I pulled out of this hole right here. One of these two holes. That's what I pulled out. Yeah, a big ball of lint. Let me put it back together. See what she does now. Alright, so I got the pump back on. Working on this washing machine. It decided to quit on me. And look over here. This big ball of lint came out of that little small hole there. It was stuck up in there like that. And I ended up taking the pump off. All I had to do was unsnap these clamps, take it off the shaft. No bolt, anything, just snaps on there. Yeah, pulled out this big ball of lint. And the way I got my setup here, I just got it running off a water hose. I'm out here on my front porch. Water hose and extension cord. There's my drain, and it wasn't draining very well, so decided to take this joker apart. Took off the pump. I'm going to run it for a cycle. See if it will spin, because it wasn't spinning or draining. So maybe just that ball of lint there. Maybe just the ball of lint was locking my motor up. So I'll get back with you. Got it back up and going. My extension cord. This is my baby. And we have water flowing. I'm going to let it fill up. Let's see what happens. So this is what it looks like when you have good drainage. Shooting out a pretty good stream. If you just have a trickle or no drainage, then you got something in the water pump. So as you can see, the washer is back to spinning. It drained perfectly. So just having the balls of lint in the water pump was messing it all up.